This is a Pacific reef heron. It's one of 3 different heron species that reside in Tonga, where this bird was observed. It is also widespread among other islands in the South Pacific Ocean, as well as New Zealand and Australia. Other terms for it include eastern reef heron and eastern reef egret. Herons, as you can see here, spend copious amounts of time preening. We hope you've enjoyed this heron's demonstration of a preening ritual. If so, please like our video and subscribe to Life Plus Wild on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.